Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Canadian dollar Forex account brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Forex.com. Forex.com, a prominent online Forex trading platform, offers a wide array of tools and resources tailored to suit traders of all levels of experience. With a user-friendly interface and advanced trading technology, Forex.com provides access to a diverse range of currency pairs and competitive pricing. Whether users are seeking to diversify their investment portfolio or engage in speculative trading, Forex.com remains a trusted destination for navigating the dynamic world of Forex trading. Forex.com offers a comprehensive range of market instruments designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from major, minor, and exotic Forex currency pairs to indices, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, as well as gold and silver. Forex.com provides access to a wide spectrum of trading opportunities. Traders can capitalize on global market movements with precision and flexibility, utilizing advanced trading tools and resources available on the platform. With competitive pricing and reliable execution, Forex.com ensures that traders have the tools they need to navigate the financial markets effectively. Forex.com offers a selection of advanced trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders, providing seamless access to global financial markets. Their platforms include the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, the Forex.com proprietary web and mobile platforms, as well as the TradingView trading platform. With a variety of trading platforms to choose from, Forex.com caters to traders of all levels of expertise and preferences. Forex.com offers a variety of trading account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders, ensuring a personalized trading experience. These account types include the standard, MetaTrader, and raw trading accounts, along with demo and Islamic account options. The broker provides options to suit every trading style. With a range of account options and features, Forex.com empowers traders to tailor their trading experience to their specific preferences and goals. Forex.com offers a wealth of educational resources designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. From comprehensive educational articles and tutorials covering fundamental concepts to advanced trading strategies, Forex.com provides valuable insights for traders of all levels. Additionally, the platform offers live webinars and seminars conducted by industry experts, offering real-time market analysis and trading insights. Traders can also access a wide range of trading tools and resources, including market analysis, economic calendars, and trading calculators, to enhance their trading decisions. Overall, Forex.com stands as a premier destination for traders seeking access to the dynamic world of Forex trading. With its comprehensive range of market instruments, diverse selection of trading account types, advanced trading platforms, and wealth of educational resources, Forex.com is dedicated to empowering traders of all levels to achieve their financial goals. Whether traders are looking to diversify their investment portfolios, engage in speculative trading, or enhance their trading skills, Forex.com remains a trusted partner in navigating the global financial markets. At number 4 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade is a global online broker founded in 2006 in Dublin, Ireland, that offers trading in a wide variety of markets. Backed by strong financial infrastructure, the broker provides an array of trading platforms to suit different trading styles, as well as operates under multiple regulatory jurisdictions and holds client funds in segregated accounts to enhance security. Avatrade offers a wide range of trading instruments through CFDs, giving traders plenty of options to build a diversified portfolio. You can trade over 50 forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotic currencies, as well as popular commodities like gold, silver, oil, and natural gas. Leading global indices such as the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and FTSE 100 are also available, alongside hundreds of international stock CFDs. Cryptocurrency CFDs including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple allow for around-the-clock trading. For traders looking for more advanced strategies, Avatrade also offers vanilla options on forex and select commodities, making it suitable for both beginner and experienced traders alike. The broker provides a variety of trading platforms to suit different styles. MetaTrader 4 is ideal for beginners and experienced traders, while MetaTrader 5 adds more timeframes, order types, and asset coverage. Traders can also use WebTrader for browser-based trading or Ava options for professional options strategies. Social and copy trading are supported through Ava Social, allowing users to follow and replicate experienced traders. Available on desktop and mobile, Avatrade's platforms give traders the tools they need to trade effectively. Additionally, their mobile application lets traders execute orders, track prices, view interactive charts, and set alerts from anywhere. Unique features like Ava Protect also help manage risk, making mobile trading simple and secure. Avatrade offers a range of trading account types to cater to different trader profiles. The retail account is the most common, providing access to a wide array of markets with standard leverage and regulatory protection. For experienced traders, their professional account offers higher leverage and fewer restrictions, though it comes with increased risk and requires meeting specific eligibility criteria. The broker also provides Islamic accounts, which comply with Sharia law by offering swap-free trading conditions, as well as multi-account manager accounts, which are available for fund managers to manage multiple client accounts efficiently. Each account type is designed to meet the unique needs of traders, ensuring flexibility and support for various trading strategies. Avatrade offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at every level. Their Ava Academy provides over 200 free online courses covering a wide range of topics. These courses feature video lessons, quizzes, and certificates to enhance learning and track progress. For those seeking structured guidance, Avatrade's Trading for Beginners section offers tutorials on key concepts such as leverage, margin, and trading lots, helping newcomers build a solid foundation in trading. Additionally, Avatrade hosts live webinars as well as provides a wide variety of video tutorials and articles, covering topics from risk management to technical analysis and trading strategies. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, Avatrade's educational resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge needed to navigate the financial markets confidently. Coming in at number 3, we have Blackbull Markets. Blackbull Markets is a multi-regulated, multi-asset brokerage firm headquartered in Auckland, New Zealand. Established in 2014, the company has grown to serve traders in over 180 countries, offering access to more than 26,000 tradable instruments, including forex, equities, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Operating as a true electronic communication network broker, Blackbull Markets provides non-dealing desk execution, ensuring transparency and competitive pricing for its clients. Blackbull Markets offers a diverse suite of trading platforms designed to accommodate traders of all levels, providing access to a variety of tradable instruments across different asset classes. Their platforms include TradingView, CTrader, the MetaTrader platforms, Blackbull Invest, and Blackbull CopyTrader. These platforms support features like no minimum deposits, leverage up to 1 to 500, and 24/7 client support. Their platforms are designed to offer flexibility and efficiency to traders around the world. Blackbull Markets offers 3 primary account types: the ECN Standard Account, the Prime Account, as well as their Institutional Account, each tailored to accommodate different trading styles and experience levels. All account types grant access to their full range of trading platforms, as well as a comprehensive suite of trading instruments. Islamic swap-free account options are also available for standard and prime accounts, catering to clients who require Sharia-compliant trading conditions. The broker provides a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to support traders at every stage of their journey. Their education hub features structured learning paths, guides which provide a concise overview of trading fundamentals, including asset classes, trading platforms, and essential terminology. Additionally, Blackbull Markets provides practical tools like economic calendars and trading calculators to aid in market analysis. To facilitate hands-on learning, Blackbull Markets offers demo accounts, allowing traders to practice strategies in a risk-free environment. These resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge and tools necessary for informed decision-making in the financial markets. At number 2 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, IC Markets has established itself as a leading broker, offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. IC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making IC Markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. IC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the IC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, IC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, IC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of CTrader, IC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, IC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, IC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. And coming in at number 1 On our list of some of the top 5 best Canadian dollar Forex account brokers, we have Pepperstone. Founded in 2010 in Melbourne, Australia, Pepperstone is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker serving traders in more than 150 countries. The broker has earned a strong reputation for its tight spreads, fast execution speeds, and reliable trading environment, making it a popular choice for both new and experienced traders. The broker is also widely recognized for its commitment to transparency, innovation, and award-winning customer service, helping establish its portion as one of the leading online brokers in the industry. Pepperstone provides access to more than 1,400 CFD instruments across a wide range of global markets. Traders can choose from over 90 Forex currency pairs, major global indices, commodities including precious metals and energy products, more than 1,100 share CFDs from leading international companies, over 90 ETF CFDs, and a selection of popular cryptocurrency CFDs. This diverse market offering allows traders to diversify their portfolios and take advantage of opportunities across multiple asset classes from a single trading account. Pepperstone supports a wide range of industry-leading trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4, 5, CTrader, TradingView, and its own proprietary Pepperstone trading platform. These platforms are available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, offering advanced charting tools, one-click trading, automated trading capabilities, custom indicators, and copy trading features. With multiple platform choices, Pepperstone caters to beginners, algorithmic traders, and experienced professionals looking for a flexible trading experience. The broker offers 2 live trading account types designed to suit different trading styles. This includes the standard account, which features spread-only pricing with no additional commission, making it a straightforward option for everyday traders, and the Razor account, which provides ultra-tight spreads with a fast commission per trade, making it a popular choice for scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic traders. Pepperstone also offers a risk-free demo account, allowing traders to practice strategies and explore the broker's platforms before trading with real funds. Additionally, the broker offers a comprehensive range of educational resources to help traders develop their knowledge and skills. Their learning hub features beginner-friendly guides, in-depth trading articles, platform tutorials, webinars, and educational videos covering Forex, CFDs, risk management, and trading strategies. Traders also gain access to market insights, trading guides, and regular insights from industry experts, making it easier to stay informed and improve their trading confidence at every experience level. And those are some of the top 5 best Canadian dollar Forex account brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forex Suggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.